If you want to save extracted audio in CapCut, whether you're making a podcast clip, a voiceover file, or just pulling the sound from a video, this tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it on CapCut PC. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. If you haven't already added your clip, bring the video into your project and place it on the timeline. This is the video that contains the audio you want to extract. Once the clip is on the timeline, go ahead and right-click on the video clip. From the menu that appears, choose Extract Audio. CapCut will automatically separate the sound from the video and place it as its own audio track directly below the video layer. This is the audio you're looking for, and now you can edit it independently from the footage. If your goal is only to keep the sound and not the video itself, you can delete the video clip from the timeline and leave the extracted audio track in place. That way, you're working with just the audio portion of the project. Now here's the important part. To actually save that extracted audio as a file on your computer, you need to export it. Click Export in the top right corner of CapCut. In the export settings, look for the option that says Audio Export, or choose an audio format such as MP3 if CapCut gives you that option. This step is what turns your extracted audio into a separate file you can use outside of CapCut. After that, choose the folder or save location on your computer where you want the file to go. Make sure it's somewhere easy to find, especially if you plan to upload it, share it, or use it in another project later. Once your save location is selected, click Export one more time to finish the process. CapCut will then render and save the extracted audio file for you. When it's done, you'll have your audio saved separately from the video, ready to use any way you need it. So that's the full process for how to save extracted audio in CapCut PC. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.